Have you ever felt lost when someone says they're beating around the bush? As an English learner, understanding common idioms can be a real challenge. But mastering them can take your communication skills to the next level. Let me share a funny story about a time someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend Tina was asked to beat around the bush during a meeting. She spent the entire time literally waving a branch, much to everyone's confusion. So, what does beat around the bush actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to avoiding the main point or topic, rather than addressing it directly. The origin dates back to medieval hunting, where beaters would literally go around bushes to flush out prey. Now let's see a proper use of the idiom. My boss kept beating around the bush when I asked about my promotion. Until finally, he just came out and said it wasn't happening this year. I appreciated his honesty, even though the news was disappointing. Here are some diverse examples of how to use beat around the bush. In casual conversation, she was really beating around the bush when I asked her about her new boyfriend. In a formal setting, the CEO needs to stop beating around the bush and give us a clear timeline for the project. In a negative context, I don't have time for you to beat around the bush, just tell me what's wrong. To help you remember the meaning, imagine someone avoiding the main point by going around the bush. It's like going in circles around the main issue, rather than addressing it head-on. Did you know the idiom beat around the bush actually has its roots in medieval hunting practices? Hunters would beat around bushes to drive out game, instead of directly approaching them. This idea of indirectly approaching a topic is what gave rise to the figurative meaning we use today. Some similar idioms include skirt the issue, dance around the topic, and hedge around the question. Opposite idioms would be cut to the chase or get straight to the point. Related expressions include mince words and sugarcoat the truth. Here's an example of how you could use beat around the bush in a sentence. My boss kept beating around the bush when I asked about the company's plans for expansion. And here's how you could rephrase it without the idiom. My boss avoided directly answering my question about the company's plans for expansion. I remember a time when a colleague used beat around the bush perfectly in a meeting. We were discussing a sensitive issue, and he said, "Let's not beat around the bush, we need to address this problem head-on." His direct approach really helped move the conversation forward. One common mistake is using beat around the bush with the wrong preposition. Like saying beat on the bush instead of beat around the bush. Another mistake is thinking the idiom means to literally hit or strike a bush, when it's actually about avoiding the main point. While beat around the bush is widely used, it's slightly informal. So be cautious when using it in very formal settings. Okay, let's test your understanding with a few quick questions. 1. What does beat around the bush mean? A. Literally hit a bush. B. Avoid the main point. C. Surround a bush. Answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for beat around the bush? A. Get straight to the point. B. Mince words. C. Skirt the issue. Answer, C. 3. Which of these is an antonym for beat around the bush? A. Hedge around the question. B. Cut to the chase. C. Dance around the topic. Answer, B. In summary, beat around the bush is a common English idiom that refers to avoiding the main point or topic, rather than addressing it directly. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can greatly improve your communication skills, in both casual and professional settings. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom beat around the bush in a sentence of your own. I'd love to hear how you're applying what you've learned.